Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are exploring the top 5 budget phones for 2024. If you're looking for a great smartphone without breaking the bank, these smartphones offer excellent value. So let's dive into the best budget friendly options for this year. And as always, don't forget to subscribe, like and hit that bell button. The first budget phone on our list is the Redmi Note 13 Pro. The Xiaomi's Redmi Note 13 Pro delivers impressive features at an affordable price range. It features a 6.67-inch FHD AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, a Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 processor, a triple camera setup, and a 5000 mAh battery with a 67-watt fast charging. It's great for its exceptional display, camera and performance, making it a standout choice for budget-conscious buyers. Second budget phone on our list is the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. The Samsung Galaxy A54 5G offers solid performance and 5G connectivity at a reasonable price. It features a 6.5-inch FHD Super AMOLED display, a Exynos 1280 processor, a quad camera setup, and a 5000 mAh battery with 25-watt charging. It provides a premium display and 5G support, ensuring smooth and future-proof experience. Next up, the Motorola Moto G Power. The Motorola Moto G Power focuses on long battery life and reliable performance. It features a 6.6-inch HD Plus IPS display, a MediaTek Helio G88 processor, a dual camera system, a 6000 mAh battery with 20-watt charging. Its massive battery ensures extended usage, making it perfect for those who prioritize battery life. Number 4, we have the OnePlus Nord N30. The OnePlus Nord N30, I'm going to call it N30, offers a smooth user experience with a clean software interface. It features a 6.49-inch FHD Plus LCD display with a 90Hz refresh rate. It includes a Snapdragon 695 processor, a triple camera setup, and it includes a 5000 mAh battery with 33-watt fast charging. Known for its fast performance and fluid Oxygen OS interface, it provides a premium feel in a budget device. The last phone on our list, or the last budget phone on our list, is the Realme Narzo 60. The Realme Narzo 60 is a well-rounded budget phone with solid performance and good camera capabilities. It features a 6.5-inch FHD LCD display, a MediaTek Dimensity 810 processor, a triple camera setup, and a 5000 mAh battery with 30-watt fast charging. It's a well-balanced mix of performance, camera quality and battery life, making it an excellent all-rounder. Well, there you have it guys. Those are the top 5 budget phones for 2024 that provide exceptional value for their price, offering a mix of great displays, reliable performance and impressive battery life. Whether you prioritize camera quality, battery longevity or 5G connectivity, there's a budget friendly option for you. So that's it for the video. So I hope you enjoy and watch till the end, and see you next time. And as always, don't forget to subscribe, like and hit that bell button. Bye.